Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Javier Tubuka here, and I'm currently living the bachelor life in the beautiful Honiara, Solomon Islands. Today I'm making a quick and delicious dish for my iftar, a turmeric squid stir fry. This is a simple yet flavorful recipe, perfect for a busy day. So let's get started. First off, I've already taken out the squid from the fridge, defrosted it and cut it into cubes. It's also been cleaned up properly, so we're all set. The next step is to coat the squid with the turmeric powder, just make sure to sprinkle it evenly over the squid cubes and give them a good mix, so the color and the flavor can spread evenly. Once that's done, set it aside and let the turmeric do its magic. Now let's prepare our other ingredients. Well, need garlic, onion and ginger. Slice them up just like this, nice and thin. And don't forget the long beans. Cut them to small, bite-sized pieces, just the right length for stir frying. With everything prepped, we're ready to cook. Alright, let's fire up the stove. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, throw in the garlic first. Give it a quick stir, then add the ginger and onion. Cook. It all together for 2 minutes. You'll start to smell that amazing aroma filling the kitchen. It really smells so good. Now it's time for the star of the dish, the squid. Toss it into the pan, mix it well with the garlic, ginger and onion. Let it cook for 3 minutes. You want the squid to soak up all these delicious flavors. It starts to dry out, just add a little water so help it cook through and become tender. Once the squid is almost cooked, it's time to add the long beans. Stir them in and let them cook for another 3 minutes or so until they're nice and tender but still crisp. The combination of the turmeric squid and the crunchy long beans is going to be amazing. And that's it, we're done. And it's time for iftar. I can't wait to dig into the flavorful dish. It's quick, easy, and packed with deliciousness. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you'll try making this yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button